Welcome back to Full Scholarships live video series. We'll be discussing about the fully funded scholarship in Germany. This is a DAAD scholarship for session 2026 for master's and PhD degree. We'll show the full process for this. Before that, let me remind you subscribe our YouTube channel Full Scholarships. If you are here for the first time, if you are new on our YouTube channel, please do subscribe. Also follow us on Instagram page here. The link for this fully funded Germany scholarship is given in the video description below. You can check out any of the videos. Links are in the respective descriptions. Also in the about section of the YouTube, you can see all the links are there listed. You can see here. And on Instagram highlights, you can directly check out there, or on Instagram story, or you can directly message our team, and link is also given in Instagram bio. And the easiest way to reach us is our website fullscholarships.net, or you can directly Google that fullscholarships.net or cashmanook.com. Once you visit our website, you can read about this particular DAAD scholarship. We'll discuss this in detail. And yesterday we had shown some scholarships that had no application fee, and there are a lot of scholarships that we had premiered in Europe. Erasmus won the scholarship. This also has no application fee, and this also has no application fee. This also has no application fee. We had listed these scholarships where there is no application fee applicable, so that you can easily apply to them. And all the scholarships have their links in the respective descriptions. And if you visit our website fullscholarships.net, you can find the link there. So now we'll discuss about this. The Art Scholarship 2026 is for doctoral and PhD or master's purpose. Deadline is 15th of January 2025 for summer semester and July 15th, 2025 for fall semester. And this is in the Germany. Courses offered are like economic sciences, law, agriculture and forest sciences, art, design, engineering and natural sciences, humanities, social sciences, language and cultural studies, mathematics, natural sciences, medicine and health sciences. You can also see the list of available postgraduate programs here, and you can also check out all the deadlines for each program listed here. That scholarship coverage will be on the academic level. You apply, and there will be monthly of stipend of around 1,000 euros for graduates and 1,400 euros for doctoral candidates. Travel allowances are also from home country to the destination, and payment towards health, accident, and personal liability insurance will also be there. One-off study allowance will be there, and monthly rent subsidy, monthly allowance for accompanying members for the family as well. So eligibility criteria for this: required language should be English or German. For international students, if you have IELTS and TOEFL, that is also accepted. And all the list of eligible countries are listed here. And candidates should have a bachelor's degree of at least 4 years, usually 4 years, 3 years is also accepted. And for PhD, bachelor's and master's is required. And then 2 years of professional experience should be also there. Then required documents, you should have the application form that we have given here. You can download the application form through this link here. And then the Europass format CV here, and then letter of motivation and letter of recommendation as well. And then the other, like China students need to submit APS certificate. Step-by-step application process, so you should complete this application form here. You can download that here. If you click on this, it will download the application form here. You can see it has downloaded this application form, and then you should fill that along with the Europass CV format, then motivation letter and letter of recommendation. All these documents must be you should complete that and submit through the email to the DAAD or the course that you are applying to. There will be different methods showing. Here I'll show you the courses, and for each course there will be list of postgraduate courses. Here I'll show you. Here you can see all the deadlines are also listed here. So you should apply to that accordingly. You can see some of them have deadlines here. Self-financing are also listed here, and you can see Some of them have 15th of March. For example, you wish to go for this international media studies, you can click on this link here, and information related to that will be listed there as well. So you complete this form. So let me, once you download the form here, this form is available here, we have shown you. Again, this form is available here on this link here, and you download that. Now also we have given the website here. Click on this link to start the application process. You can see DAAD Development Related Postgraduate Scholarship, EPO Scholarship. Every detail is here, and you can see application procedure. Click on this, and you can see uh, checklist is given here. So click on this link here. This is very important. So you have also you have to fill this application checklist as well and tick all the documents that are listed here along with the application form that is listed also here, and letter of motivation, letter of recommendation, and then the proof of English proficiency and higher education degrees and transcript records that you have completed. So these have to be submitted directly to the course website or course coordinators or organizing institutions, and they will suggest your application to the DAAD for scholarships. So selection committee is there, so you have to send directly. If your country has a DAAD office, you can ask them as well if they accept the applications there. So let's start the application process. So we have downloaded the checklist here. uh, Let me just show you that. Yeah, here is the checklist. So you have to fill name here, then tick all these. So application form here, we have downloaded that, and you need to fill this by enabling the editing. So you can see now you have to enter your name as per the passport, and first name, then email address, place of birth, country of residence, nationality, second nationality if you have, but in case you do not have it, just leave it blank. Enter your gender, marital status, and then the number of children you have. If you there's no one with you dependent, so you can mention 0 or leave it blank. Then current address, then home university, the home university you have and town of that home university. Subjects you have completed, mention all them here. Degree that we have, bachelor's, high school, date completed, and final result grades we have. Then expected degree, before that we have bachelor, so and the year of that. Previous studies abroad, so we have none, so we'll just mention nil here or leave it blank or mention none here. Usually you should mention none. And then if you are currently applying, recently applied to another DAAD scholarship, so mention no, as we are not mentioning, so we'll just leave them as. Then first choice of the program, so you have to mention the program which you applied. So here on the website, I have chosen this program, International Media Studies Masters. I'll just copy that same details here, and we'll mention that here. You can see. So now after that second choice program, you can best mention this. Then you can mention English here. Language, you can mention English, as English is required. Then you can mention all these here, whatever is your method, so you can mention that. And then the experience, so we'll mention 2 years of experience here, and from date to completion date, then location of that, and type of work, position you had, and full-time or part-time, you can mention that here. Then current occupation, you can mention that here, and the professional career, you have to mention that here. And now you have to agree terms and conditions, and then you have to uh, enter the date in this here. So once you are ready with this, you have to sign this form and save this form as well and print it, or you can directly save the copy in the PDF. And now we have completed all these sections. Europass CV I have attached, I will be attaching with this application form, and then the details about this recommendation letters, you have to get that in the PDF as well, and proof of English proficiency, that is the English proficiency certificate from our previous institute. Once we are done with this, you can simply submit the application to the corresponding course that is hosting. They have the contact sections here, and they'll be mentioning that. You can see head and other institutions. Also, the DAAD, uh, make sure you have a copy of document that your application is ready and as a PDF file to be uploaded to the DAAD portal in case you are suggested for a DAAD scholarship. Okay, so first you need to just submit the application to the DAAD organization or the institution that you're applying. And once you're recommended for the scholarship, so you have to upload that copy in the DAAD portal as well. Until then, you don't have to worry. You just have to wait for the results. If you have confusions in for your country, how do you submit your application in your country? You can just, if you have Google search, you can just search that, or if you yet are confused that how do I submit my application, you can just ask us in the comment section below. We'll answer your queries or directly send us a message. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the session. With this, I'm signing off. Keep watching, keep subscribing. Have a nice day ahead.